Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove Apple ID from iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to remove your Apple ID from any iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your settings app here and then tap on your Apple ID and you just have to scroll down and you'll get the option of sign out. You can easily remove your Apple ID by using the sign out option. If you find an error that sign out is not available, so you can easily fix that by going back from here and going to your screen time settings. Here go for the content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. Then go back and tap on the screen time passcode. Tap on turn off screen time passcode, and here you just add into your screen time passcode. Then go back and you have to relaunch your settings app. After relaunching, just tap on your Apple ID and your issue will be fixed. Just tap on the sign out option. Then select sign out but don't erase if you want to only remove your Apple ID without erasing your iPhone. If you want to erase your iPhone, just tap on erase your iPhone option. I'm going to select sign out but don't erase option. Then tap on continue option here. And here just tap on continue anyway. And here tap on continue again. And then you must have to enter your Apple ID password. And once you have entered your Apple ID password, your account will be successfully removed. If you don't know about your Apple ID password, you can easily change this. Opening your Apple ID settings. Then select sign in and security option here and select change password. You just have to enter your Apple ID or your iPhone passcode first, and after entering your iPhone passcode, just create a new password for your Apple ID. Just enter a new password, then retype your new password. After creating your new password, you just have to use your new password to remove or sign out your Apple ID. If you are unable to do this, so you have a simple way. You just have to use your PC or laptop to completely reinstall the whole software on your iPhone, or you can easily crack your Apple ID, or you can remove your Apple ID by using that way. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.